get on the ferry. Well, I'm in Hoonah, and I'm gonna cover up 3 of my boats. Flew in, and it was just snowing a little bit. It's cold. Ice. Should have done it in October, but I left to go on a vacation. I'm gonna winterize. That Mercury right there, that Verado, and I'm going to cover that up when my shrink master, something like that, comes over here. I had to fly, so I couldn't bring everything over. And then I will work on this boat and winterize those 2 Mercuries. Put it away. I got power going to the batteries. I'll put this thing away, close this up on this little trailer. And then one more boat. Same scenario. I'll do those 2 motors right over there. Winterize those, and then I will cover it up with that shrink wrap, make a little frame, and then this thing here I'm just gonna leave out. Should be fine. The motor's pretty old. I just got this to run around in front of town. So I am going to be busy next couple of days, 2-3 days. It's about 2 o'clock here now. You can see this boat here, the neighbor. It's a shrink wrap on that. So that's what I'm going to be doing after I winterize the motors. So off to it. Well, another chilly morning here in Hoonah, Alaska. Whew. Got 2 motors done. Got 2 motors done on the Evelyn R. The Mercs got done. The mains. Gonna open this thing up and fog it. And then back there, I will start on the motors there. So, not a lot of daylight. Right around 3:34, it's gets pretty dark, so don't have a lot of hours. So fun stuff, taking care of boats on the off season. You can see a lot of boats got wrapped out there. That's what I'm going to be doing mine. Well, gonna try to put my trailer away, work in a clockwise direction. This is the trailer. Definitely not real pretty, but it's sound, good frame, and I just am pulling this back in. Got this as a seasonal housing for any captains that I have. Could use a power wash and probably pull all those tarps off eventually and make a little cap and put in a new door. I got some work cut out for me. We got the tank hook up to the heater. Just pulled the refrigerator. There's a little monitor, a Toyo stove, a little hot water heater. I just pulled the refrigerator out. Probably hadn't been out in I don't know how many years. So I'll re-insulate this spring, and rip out this stove. Rip out that counter, put a new counter on there. I got a new microwave, but I'll frame that in better. And I'll take this vent out. I got a new vent. I picked everything up this last spring. I think that's the stove. Yeah, and there's the vent. Anyway, did the bedroom and lights this spring, and the ceiling I redid. Took out the skylight, re-insulated it, put some paneling up, walls, and put some flooring in, a new bed. Flooring goes all the way down underneath there. Didn't get too crazy, just as long as it's nice and clean and free of mold. Definitely could use some more work. Always lots to do. I'm gonna continue on. Oh yeah, this door. Gotta figure something out. Probably see if I can't just build a frame and build a door. Anyway, hopefully this will go in. Charging the battery now. Work, work, work. And gonna pull those covers off soon. Motor covers. Start fogging the motors. Fun stuff.